Voice of my people, where culture speaks, truth echoes, and hope rises.
Igbo Queen, this is the voice of my people, and my name is Emmanuel Anya. This episode, we are having a very special group, special person representing her group here in River State. It's something amazing that I'm sure you're going to learn a whole lot from. I'm going to ask my guest to introduce herself and her group, and we're going to get into conversation on the activities of the group. So, Ma, you're welcome.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the opportunity given to me by your studio.
Thank you.
To come in to showcase Igbo. It's not a small thing, and we like it. I am Nwada Chidinma Ezidinma, the president of the association Umuadaigbonile-Igboamaka Association of Ndigbo community in River State.
That's amazing. You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you very much.
This association, how long has it been?
This association has been in 10 years.
10 years.
Yes.
Amazing.
10 years.
Wow. So what is Umuada Association? What is it about?
Umuadaigbonile, like the name implies, Umuada.
Yes.
That's the first daughter. In fact, it's daughters of Igbo land. So we are all together in Port Harcourt, and we have vision to showcase Igbo culture, and more especially our pet project is to on a girl's child. Yes, on a girl's child, and we want a girl's child to have a position in Nigeria. Women, you start beginning to train them.
Yeah.
There's an adage that says, train a girl when it reaches to a point, you will know how to tackle every other thing.
Yeah.
So that is what we are projecting. We always go to the, not only that, we go to community schools in the rural areas.
In River State?
Yes, in River State, yeah. We go there, we showcase ourselves by getting pad. With this time around, pad the child. Yeah. And if you go to all these rural areas, all these community schools, when a girl is seeing her period, what they use is tissue, and this tissue will have a way of giving them infection. Yeah. They'll be infected and all that. So we now, as the mothers and as Igbo, the way Ndigbo see, you understand? So when we now look at all this and say, no, we don't have to do our girl's child like that. We need to teach them how to hygiene and all this hygiene and all that. So we now have to get good pad, and not the pad that will just be, there's ones that will just be breaking and all that. It looks like tissue. So we don't need to do that. We now get good quality pad, and now go to community schools and give them to the girl child. You understand? So, and not only that, when we finish giving them the tissue, the pad, we'll now call together all of them and now advise them and now tell them that when you're growing up and when you got to the stage of getting married, when you get married, we'll now tell them how they will be talking to their husbands, because some of the breakage in the home comes from the woman. If you don't have a right woman, you will have a disaster in your home. So you start from now and start training them and tell them how to talk, and always tell them that it's not a must you get everything from a man, that you get some things for yourself. Even if you're not working, you will get something doing. You will get something doing, empowering yourself. You won't do everything man. So you now give them a right path to take. So when we finish that, we'll tell them the way it's not a must that you depend on a man always. Even though that you are not married, the ones that it's not a must that a girl will marry. It's not everybody that is destined to marry, but you don't feel depressed if you are not married. That you need to have a way of going about your things, and you have to get things done for yourself. We do that for a long period. We've been doing that.
Wow, here in River State, members of it. Because what you're saying is it's so much work. How many persons are helping you?
Right now, we've been, women go down, coming. Then now we are just shifted. We are just 10 in numbers now. But before the 10 years back and a true light, we are almost 30. And down the line, people will come, people will go, and all that. So all those things now, we are now 10 in number, committed 10.
So when they choose this group, how would they join? Is it open to every daughter of people?
Yes, it's open for. That's why you said Umuadaigbonile-Igboamaka, meaning that all the Igbo Ada, all the Igbo women
are welcome to
know. So far you are speaking Igbo.
Okay, when you make ISO,
yes, and
registration.
Yes, we have registration fee 10,000 naira for now. Then when you come in Igbo tradition, you have to get else cola, like granules, angara, and then.
Meeting point.
Yes, I have a meeting point. Meeting point I have on Asiwa.
Okay.
That's our meeting point. Then bata.
Are there any conditions as in must or is it open for married or single?
Yes, married.
Only married.
Only married, not single. Single are for those people that were going for the younger ones that were just doing things with.
Okay, bro, for instance, if onye Rivers, Kilo, Onibo, are you an Igbo woman? Can you join this group?
No. Unless me bu onye Igbo, bu Ada Igbo.
So it's only for
Rivers. Rivers. You are non-Igbo.
You're still
yes,
Igbo.
You are still Igbo. Yeah, you can
so
join.
The wife
of Igbo man cannot join us.
Wow.
If you marry to a Rivers woman, you cannot join us. Your woman will not join because of Igbo. So I know if you was Igbo and Igboamaka. Ọ na-asụ Igbo mana ọ bụrụ n'onye Igbo.
But today I'm onye Igbo.
Ọ bụrụ n'onye Igbo.
Wow, that's great.
Ịghọtago? So the thing bụ onye Igbo.
Okay.
Because Ada ife akpọrọ ya bụ Nwada Igbo. Because ọmanza Nwada ife anyị na-akpọ nwa anyị bụ Nwada. Anyị nwere mpụta kịta amansi president. Anyị adịra refe onwe anyị na onye a president, onye anyị adịra akpọ onwe anyị. Fọnwa kịta ife akịta a ga-asị Nwada Chidinma. Nwada Chidinma, Nwada Onya, Nwada Ifi, Nwada this, Nwada Ekene, Nwada. I na-eme meeting, Nwada ka ị ga-afa na-akpọ president or something is a unique set of things. If you take one Nwada Chidinma, ịkpọ m president ma ghọta the thing. You understand? Mana ị akpọgide Nwada, itinyere na Nwada ọ banyego ya ọnụ. Even na akpọfu n'ụzọ say Nwada Chidinma. You know, so that's the only
beautiful. That's
so come on no Nwada. So man kpọba na nwunye gị na-abụrụ Nwada. It's not Nwada now.
Yeah, I understand.
So bro, if ọ bụ nwunye.
Yes.
Nwunye anyị ka ọ bụ.
I understand. That's very good.
So
Thanks for that clarity.
Then another one, I na-enyekwa ndị indigent in the community. Sometimes last year, I nyekwara ndị street children because I bụ nne. So we na-enyekwara ndị apụta sie nri anyị enjenye the street children.
That's good.
And we just give them a way of to be nice.
Anybody.
Anybody.
Yeah.
Mana ndị Igbo na-eme ịma na ndị Igbo na aka ha dị ka nsala mbala. Aka anyị niile bụ like this sara. You understand? So Hannah like so many things. Even Ndigbo, everyone happy. Hannah made you everything. I like okay.
Yes.
Mana Hannah emekwa Hannah akpa nwanne too much. So everyone habata. Hannah like udo achia. So how they akpa okay. Yeah, if they say no ngwa onye Igbo, and then me like that. I na-enyekwa ma ndị Hausa ịpụta indigens na street. Ịpụta feri jee nne ya, ịpụtakwa ya nyekwa ha nne. Nyesi ha everything. Then I chọkwa last like next year we are going to old people's home, depending on the way we want to take a lead. But every October we must go for our girls' children. You understand? We have to give them pad. That one especially is very compulsory because we know what it takes. So but from that January to we have some things we are doing for people, and even in schools, even a community school, because we always go to these community schools. We even want to extend it to rural areas because of ije na school. If you understand? So we now say, how can that? We are just mothers, and they don't. How can children sit on the floor and be doing something? Because someone came for one day, and if one was, and all of a sudden, so we need to, yes, you will see so many. As we now go, we'll just bring chair. And chair bunyaha and the choir idea. So we have done a lot of projects, but in little way we have. You understand? But now we want to project it
better and to get more members,
get more members, and even asking people to support us. That's why we told Ez at that time. And
so it's a worthy project.
Let him just support us, because we are seeing these things, and if we can just touch life, we are into touching life.
That's an amazing thing. I love this idea.
And you're in the platform of Igbo.
Yes.
Yeah, people are doing it, but this one is platform of Igbo, Igbo setting. So that's our vision.
Now, just a minute. We are going to go for a short break, and after that, we'll continue with the conversation. Our guest is still with us.
Are you Igbo? Do you have a real story? One that can inspire generations? Do you want the world to know what you will do or what you are? Then the Voice of My People Global is your platform. We are the heartbeat of Igbo identity, where culture speaks, truth echoes, and hope rises. From entrepreneurs to artists, from culture lovers to change makers, we tell authentic Igbo stories loud and proud across Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and more. Don't just watch, be heard. Your voices matters. Your journey can inspire. Your roots are your power. Call us now or today on 0810-460-4455 or reach us on WhatsApp to begin your journey with us. The Voice of My People Global, celebrating Igbo excellence, sharing Igbo stories, uniting Igbo voices. Join the movement, be the voice.
Okay, welcome back, and we have our guest, Nwada, Chidinma. Thank you so much for coming. And I want to understand. You just said something about getting sponsors, but you've been doing this before now. And how have you been managing? Because I'm here
Yeah.
So how have you people been managing?
We tax ourselves.
Wow.
Yes, I have my thank God that we are all workers. We are doing something. Wow. So
you're not politicians.
We are not politicians.
Wow. This is just selfless service.
Yeah, it's selfless service. We just organize ourselves, task ourselves, and even if it's one classroom that we'll just we just bring girls. Just the other one, we went to community secondary school, the one at First Bank. That's Rumomasi or something. Okay. We went there, we gave them pad, and the children were very happy. Wow. Yeah, so we just bring out our in a classroom. We bring in children, the girls' children, and all that. We just give them pad and educate them, so they were all happy. Then the same thing. That's how we've been doing it. We just gather ourselves, task ourselves. If we want to do street children, we say, okay, we want to cook. We'll task ourselves, we'll cook and go and distribute.
Wow,
it depends on. The other time we went to Rumukuru axis, where we see some indigents. We just give them food.
Now,
and
if,
all that.
for instance, we are here now, we're talking about this, and I know a lot of people are watching and they're going to listen to this. If somebody wants to support, somebody wants to assist or partner, or NGOs want to come in and support your program, is there a contact number? Is there an account? Is there something you will leave with us so that we can also put it on our screen while they are viewing this? If they want to support, they can send that support through that account so we could reach you. Is that possible?
Yeah, it's possible. We have accounts with UBA.
Okay.
Yes.
But maybe by the end of the program, you'll give us these details why this is projected. We'll also ask as many persons who are touched by this, because this is pure selfless service. It's about helping somebody. It's not a tribalistic thing. It's just a group of Igbo ladies trying to help build the society we're in. And that's amazing. Then now, because I'm from this program, you're open to getting more women coming.
Yeah,
based on this.
Based on this, as far as they have like-minded women, we are or I am chọba na-eme I chọrọ ụdị ha. So ọ bụrụ na onye dị okay and she has to reason with us, it's free to come in. We've shifted so many people because now that we are together, we don't want anybody to
come and scatter
the group.
It's purely selfless.
So
you must know that
you're coming for this, and this is what you are coming for, and
it's not
political and not any other thing. Or you come and want to scatter the group in the local way. You understand? So that is it. We have the way I told you, we have an account. For his support and all that.
If you forward it to me, so we can also showcase it on this platform.
Even the one where we have flyer for the one of next month.
Okay.
And we have already done the flyer in case if they will assist, if we have somebody that will assist. Because this period we want to make it elaborate. Want to go at least enough that will take them. Some pending when we are coming again, or if they want to say, okay, that this one has finished, we can always leave our contacts with them. And even if they don't have, they will call on us. We can still provide for them because it's our pet project.
That's amazing. I'm really touched by this.
Yeah, assuming that we have sponsors, and if it's that one alone, that maybe they will say, okay, we put this money, let it go for other projects. Let it go around the pad, let it go around. We can easily drop our phone numbers. When they still need, we can still provide. You understand? Then whatever they want us to do, we can always do it and reach out to them.
That's amazing. That's really good.
Yeah.
I'm so grateful for this. You taking out your time. Not everybody. I know as a mother, you have many commitments. But for you to begin to sacrifice for people who are not your direct children, that's selfless. That's good. God will continue to bless Umuada. And I know that sponsors will come.
Amen.
Most times the reason why we have not gotten the kind of sponsors is because they are not aware. Now they are getting aware. They will come and they will respond and they will support. So thank you so much for having you.
Culture is speaking. Truth is echoing. Hope is rising.